today it's just a boring day. It's a raining cool day. I'll show you out the window. But it's been forever since I posted a video. You can barely tell it's raining. I don't like it when it's raining, it's boring. So, just changed up to some good clothes. Played a bit of Minecraft. But checked where my parents are. I wonder if they just came. They just came back after a long trip to somewhere, I don't know. But yeah. I'm thinking of taking this poster down so my dad can make my whole room blue. He wanted it pink, but I was thinking I can make it sky blue. So I think I like blue more than pink because I think sky blue is really pretty. I'll show you what I mean in a second, but it's a different color. It goes good with white. Which color that goes with white? So let's go see what's going on. Well, I don't like to make long videos, but still gonna do them.
You need these ones? Okay. The top one, you need these? What? The top one. Yeah. What?
Okay, just went out the door. Just coming on some groceries. Let's go outside now again. I can tell it's pretty bad. Camera like this. I want to. Bit of rain. Let me just. If someone's getting on the camera, it's fine. It's actually raining. My phone. I know, just. I know. Does it